Hello, this is Watch Hobby. Just want to show you some of the methods I actually keep my watches. Now, for some of you, you may not have the resources, or you want to actually spend money to buy a watch box. So what you can do, and this is what I do sometimes, is that you find a nice solid box that is actually quite firm. Here you can see, sir. And inside, what you do is you get these card holders, and then you put your watches inside, as you can see here. So in this particular watch box, this one can go a depth of 3. So there's 3 rows of 3 watches, so that I can actually put 9 watches inside here. So again, very simple design, DIY kind of thing. Business card boxes, nicely wrapped in these boxes. You can keep it nice and safe. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Do follow the channel and give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Bye bye for now.